Good morning, Shane with Modern Trailer Sales in Anderson. Today we're going to look at the 32RLDS 2019 Wildwood by Forest River. Obviously a 32 foot. It does have two slide outs, power tongue jack, 12 volt battery disconnect, dual entry, LED lit exterior speakers, power awning. Your stab jacks are the traditional, traditional scissor jacks with JT strong arm system to give you a little bit more support, to keep you from moving forward and back. Kind of hard to get around the back side of this unit here, but it has a 6-foot bay window. As soon as you walk in, and you'll see that on the next part, you're going to see your sofa on the back wall. Recliners facing the entertainment center. Let's take a look inside. Back inside the 2019 32RLDS Wildwood by Forest River. 2 recliners, jackknife sofa, booth dinette. We're going to sleep 4 people back here alone. And what all the ladies like, a fireplace. Look at the ambiance that presents to you. It does produce 5,000 BTUs worth of heat. We have a sound bar, 10.7 cubic foot refrigerator, solid surface countertops, Furrion microwave, Furrion range hood, Furrion stove cooktop. Check out this shower. Super wide, foot flush toilet. On the other side of the door here we have a medicine cabinet and a little bit of a linen storage. Going into the front of the unit, barn doors. Everybody's loving barn doors. Look at that storage. Huge, huge. Better yet, washer dryer prepped. And even more storage behind my camera person. We have another closet. Come in and check this unit out, guys. It's a 32RLDS Wildwood by Forest River. This unit is a 2019. We also have the warranty forever. Give us a call.